Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a 6. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. 10. Looks like he couldn't judge the pace of the ball. He's lost this one completely. Into the attack. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Good shot for a single. Not acceptable. This is just not right. Basic misfeel like this can really cost them a lot. Turned away for a single. Good shot for a single. Bowler now into the attack. Lovely bowling and a good lead hand, because in the death overs they'll have that security. Edge but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. That's an excellent throw. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. First ball. Beauty from the ball. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Hammered away for 4, good placement. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. Connected well, but straight to the... Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Full crowd in to watch their favorite players. Muscle. Gorgeous shot. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for 2 here. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Coming. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. That was a good ball, an equal ball. That's a six. The power is... That was a stunning shot. Up in the air. Got him. That's a loose shot by the batsman. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. They wanted to hit that ball. Got him, that's a stunner, out for it. And there comes the celebration. Create pressure. In the air. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. And he's got a hat-trick. That's terrific bowling, top-class stuff. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. That ball deserved a boundary. Oh, he's clubbed that for us. This has been an impressive performance. They got